The digital revolution is impacting the tax function itself. Most heads of tax are being asked to do more with fewer resources at lower costs and produce the output quicker. It's not surprising, therefore, that a lot of them are looking to use digital technology to help in that process. Now, this can range from a fully fledged finance transformation or indeed tax function transformation, right through to some what I'd call more tactical solutions. So, for example, we're seeing a lot of clients who are getting interested in robotics. This is essentially a smart bit of software that does repetitive and, let's face it, fairly dull tasks. Now, the value of these is that they tend to do it quicker, they tend to do it more accurately, and even more importantly, they free up valuable human resources, so you can get your tax people focusing not on extracting and managing data, but focusing on added value activities, which is far more beneficial to the group. So it's important also to bear in mind that it's not just tax functions that are undergoing the digital revolution. Tax administrations around the world are transforming themselves. In some cases, we've seen that it's still quite hard to file a tax return online because the tax administration's digital portal doesn't work very well. But in many other cases, we're seeing tax administrations who are transforming themselves for the digital age. Many tax administrations, however, are moving into the digital world, and they are looking to use digital technology to get direct access into their taxpayer company's general ledger. The result of this is effectively that you get real-time auditing of your tax affairs. This means that the relationship between the tax function and the tax authorities is fundamentally changed. Essentially, what tax functions are going to have to do is move from a position whereby they report what they want to report after the event to a position whereby the tax authorities have almost total transparency as to what's going on within the organisation. Now, this is, I think, going to require quite a mindset change for tax functions, but it's also something which I think is very exciting in terms of the added value that tax functions can now give. They're no longer having to prove that the tax data they're providing is accurate. That essentially is done directly by the tax administration. What they can focus on is the real issues, the real interpretations, and making sure that their tax position is optimally presented to the tax authorities.